One kind of symmetry, plane of symmetry. How many plane of symmetries are possible? 3 plane of symmetries are possible. Okay, that too rectangular plane of symmetries. Diagonal plane of symmetries, 6 diagonal plane of symmetries. Totally there are 9 plane of symmetries we can see in cubic crystals. Okay, we shall see today axis of symmetry. Second one, axis of symmetry. See, in axis of symmetry there are 4 types are there. I will take up first one, twofold axis of symmetry. Twofold axis of symmetry. Okay, to understand this twofold axis of symmetry, let me consider a cube in this way. Okay, this is a cube, Kansata. So I am drawing a line. Axis of symmetry is an imaginary line which is drawn through the crystal, So imaginary line which is passing through the crystal, through which we can rotate the complete crystal. Okay, on rotating the complete crystal, we get the similar type of the crystal 2 or more number of times. Okay, here if I draw an imaginary line in this way, okay, this is an imaginary line drawn through the crystal. If I rotate it, how many times a similar geometry I am going to get, similar shape? 2 times. Therefore, total angle we are rotating is 360. 2 times we are rotating. What is the angle of rotation? 180 degrees. So we call it as what? Twofold axis of symmetry. Twofold axis of symmetry. Okay, let me take up now second one, fourfold axis of symmetry. Threefold tagobodittu. Okay, fourfold axis of symmetry. Okay, fourfold axis of symmetry means we are getting the structure, similar structure, how many times? 4 times when I rotate, when I take up 360 degree rotation. So this is the imaginary line which is passing through the centers of the face. Okay, imaginary line passing through the centers of the face. Okay, so if I rotate the crystal, rotate mardaga, how many times we are going to get the similar structure? 4 times. Okay, such type of how many possible lines we can draw? ಎಷ್ಟು possible lines? Between these 2 faces, left and right faces, 1. Okay, top and 2, front and back, 1. Total how many are possible? 3. Here how many are possible? Here how many are possible? These 2 are the edges. Okay, next these 2 are the edges. Next these 2 are the edges. ಹೀಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Edge opposite 2 edges. How many edges are there totally? 12 edges are there. Line passing through the 2 opposite edges. 6 are possible. Okay, 6 are possible. Okay, here how many are possible? 3 are possible. Next one, threefold axis of symmetry. Okay, for threefold axis of symmetry I am taking similar diagram. Okay, so we are drawing a line diagonally like this, diagonal line, body diagonal through line hakidini, body diagonal. So A, B, C, D, this is A, sorry, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, ಈ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದೇ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇ ಆರ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡಯಾಗನಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಫ್ ಆರ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್. So this kind of axis is considered as three-fold axis of symmetry. So if I draw a line like this through the body diagonal in such a way that line is passing through the center of the cube. So body diagonal through na line eladre two faces I am going to get. See, this is one edge, opposite edge. Okay, idru through line pass madidini nanu, right? So idanna complete 180 degrees rotate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ similar structure ಬರುತ್ತೆ, correct? So this is considered as what? Two-fold axis of symmetry. Two-fold axis of symmetry. So this is one line I can draw. This is other line I can draw. How many lines? This is one more. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4 are possible. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ವಿ ಅವಾಗ? 6 ಅಂದಿದ್ವಿ. How many are possible? 4, ಇದು 5, ಇದು 6. Total 6 are possible. Okay. Four-fold axis of symmetry, line passing through the face centers, opposite face centers. Okay. So ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಈ ಫೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 90 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು 90. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಫೇಸಸ್? 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 360/4 equal to 90 degrees. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಯಾವುದು? ತ್ರೀ-ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಮಿಟ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡಯಾಗನಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್, ಮೇಲಿಂದು ಕಾರ್ನರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಿಂದು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ? ಡಯಾಗನಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಫೇಸಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಫೇಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? 3 ಫೇಸಸ್, ತ್ರೀ-ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಫೇಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫೇಸ್ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 360/3, 120 degrees. If you rotate 120 degrees, you are going to get similar structure. So you call this as what? Three-fold. How many such type of three-fold structures are possible? Axis of symmetries are possible. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 are possible. Okay. So 4 three-fold axis of symmetry. Okay. 3 four-fold axis of symmetry. 6 two-fold axis of symmetry. Okay. One more is left. Okay. One more is left, which is seen in case of hexagonal structures only. Hexagonal structures. So this is an hexagonal structure. Okay, this is the line passing through the hexagonal structure. Okay, this is how many fold? 6-fold axis of symmetry. 6-fold axis of symmetry is seen in hexagonal crystals of example yaudu? Graphite shows 6-fold axis of symmetry. What is the angle of rotation here? 360 divided by 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 60 degrees. So these are different types of axis of symmetries. Out of these axis of symmetries, first 3 all are shown by the cubic crystal. Last one is not shown by the cubic crystal. So how many axis of symmetries are shown by the cubic crystal? Total number of axis of symmetries. Here 6, here 3, here 4, total 13. Previously plane of symmetries 9, total 22 ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, last one is center of symmetry. The point which is marked at the center of a crystal. Okay, ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Through that point, from any of the two opposite faces, if I draw a line, I am going to meet that point at equal distance. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಮಿಟ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಎ crystal, cubic crystal or in any crystal, how many point defects are, point symmetries are possible? Center of symmetries are possible? Only one. So only center of symmetry, only one, Axis of symmetries, how many? 13. Plane of symmetries, how many? 9. So cubic system exhibits how many kind of symmetry total? 23 elements of symmetries. Total number of symmetries are 23 shown by cubic crystal. Okay. So if you have this knowledge, we can apply that for Bragg's equation and some other things which are there. Okay. I will take Bragg's equation after I discuss void. Limiting radius ratio of ನೆನ್ನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಟ್ರೈಗೋನಲ್ಲ ಟೆಟ್ರಾಹೆಡ್ರಲ್ಲ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಟ್ರೈಗೋನಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಂತ ಲಿಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ trigonal void. Trigonal void. In a trigonal void, what is the coordination number? If the void is trigonal, what is the coordination number? 3. Tetrahedral coordination number. Tetrahedral coordination number 4. Octahedral. 6. Body centered cubic crystal. BCC. BCC 8. BCC 8. ಸೊ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಆಕ್ಟಾಹೆಡ್ರಲ್ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಟಾಹೆಡ್ರಲ್ ಲಿಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ? 0.414. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೋಪ್ ಐ ಮೇಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಮಿಟ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ನೌ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯು ಗಾಟ್? 0. Limiting radius ratio of trigonal void. Okay. Center is P. Okay. So ಹೀಗೆ ನಾನು ಲೈನ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ 30 degrees. ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಏನದು? ಪಿ ಸಿ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಪಿ ಸಿ ಕ್ಯೂ is equal to 30 degrees. Length CQ is equal to capital R. Am I right? Radius of the sphere. Then length PC is equal to radius of the sphere plus radius of the void. Got it? Okay. So we have these things. We have to get the relationship between small r and capital R. So you know better than me trigonometry. Use trigonometry. Cos theta. Yes. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. Base is CQ. Base is CQ divided by hypotenuse is PC or CP. Okay, substitute. Cos 30 is equal to 30 degrees is equal to CQ is capital R. CQ is capital R. CP is R plus small r. Cos 30 value is to √3 by 2 is equal to R by R plus small r. Yes, what is the relationship? R by capital R is equal to, simplify ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ. That is the maximum limit of the what? Trigonal? No. Void size, cation size. Cation should not be less than that size. 0.155 I think. 155 ಬಂತ. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? √3 R capital R plus √3 small r is equal to 2 R. Okay. So √3 small r is equal to 2 minus √3. √3 is 1.73. 0.27 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್, ಸರಿನಾ? ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0.27 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ √3 is 1.73 into capital R. 0.18 ಬರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, 0.155 ಬರ್ಬೋದು, 156 ಬರ್ಬೋದು, 156. You should write like this: radius of the void divided by radius of the sphere. Radius of the void divided by radius of the sphere is equal to radius of the cation divided by radius of the anion. ಹೌದಾ? is equal to radius of the smaller ion divided by radius of the larger ion. All these are called as radius ratio. This is called as radius ratio. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಮುಂದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. This is the actually accepted value, 0.155. Okay, take up the next one. Limiting radius ratio of tetrahedral void. Limiting radius ratio of tetrahedral void. Next one. I will give you the diagram, don't worry. Limiting radius ratio of tetrahedral void. Okay, so in a FCC unit cell, in one FCC unit cell, within the FCC unit cell, how many tetrahedral voids are present? Within the unit cell, how many tetrahedral voids are present? We have calculated number of tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids for n number of spheres. ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡಿ, 2n n ಹೇಳಬೇಡಿ ನನಗೆ. Total number for in FCC unit cell, how many tetrahedral voids are present? ಹೇಳಿ, 8 are there. Okay, there is one separated and it is drawn separately on the same page. ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? I am going to take up that diagram. Alternate corners are occupied by the spheres. This is face diagonal, and this is body diagonal. I have to draw a body diagonal here. This is the body diagonal. See, in this line, two radius, two capital R's are in contact with each other. These two spheres are in touch with each other. Let me call this length as AB. Okay, I should call this length as BC. Okay, this is BC length. This is called as what? Void. So illi the spheres are, big spheres are not seen to be touched with each other, but the four spheres are in contact with each other. So along this AB, along with AB, we call it as face diagonal. It is face diagonal. We know face diagonal is represented by B. Along the B, there are two big spheres which are in contact with each other. Therefore, AB is equal to 2 times capital R. Okay, this BC is now called as body diagonal. Is called as body diagonal. Body diagonal is represented by small c. Along the body diagonal, two small void is there, complete void is there, and two big spheres will come touch in with each other. So two capital R and one small r are present. Okay, and we also know that small r is nothing but void radius, big R is nothing but sphere radius. All the four spheres are in touch with each other. So we know B is equal to √2 into R, √2 into A, because we know B square is equal to 2A square. Hope you remember the derivation of packing efficiency. Packing efficiency derivation. B is equal to √2 times A, and C is equal to, C square is equal to 3A square. Hope you remember this. So from this I can say C is equal to √3 times A. Okay, what is A? edge length. Can I write A here? Can I write A here? I should write A in terms of what? How many R's? 2 R's. So root 3 into 2R. Okay, here it is equal to root 2 into 2R. So divide AB by BC. AB by BC. Okay, get both the relationship. AB is equal to 2R divided by 2R plus what? 2 small r is also equal to what? AB. What AB is what? What AB is? Face diagonal, which is called as what? B. What is B is equal to? Root 2 into R. Okay, 2A anta barkoli divided by root 2 into A. What is this? Root 3 into A. Okay, AA cancels. Calculate ಮಾಡಿ. AA cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ. 2R by 2 capital R into root 3 is equal to root 2 into 2R plus 2 small r. 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡಿ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ರೂಟ್ 3 ಇಂಟು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೂಟ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆರ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೂಟ್ 3 is 1.73, root 2 is 1.414 into capital R is equal to root 2 into R. So R is equal to R is, what is the difference? 73414. It is 6.2 0.3 0.36 no 326 divided by 1.414. 0.224 make it 225. Okay, so limiting radius ratio of tetrahedral void, difficult to imagine this diagram. Tetrahedral void is 0.225, trigonal void 0.155, octahedral void 0.414. Remember these values. Okay, lastly limiting radius ratio of cubic void. Cubic void nothing but BCC structure. Okay, so in BCC structure where are the spheres? Where are the spheres? At all corners. At all corners, and all spheres are in touch with each other. Okay, there is a void. Okay, this is the void. Again we cannot show the quantitative touching of smaller void and then the bigger circles. Okay, so I have to consider a body diagonal here. Body diagonal, this is the body diagonal. Okay, this is the body diagonal, and let me consider this as the triangle ABC. Okay, this is a right angle triangle ABC. Is it right? Is it right? Right angle triangle ABC. AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. What is AC? A square. Okay, A square is equal to what is BC? B square. What is AB? C square. Okay, in C square. Okay, A square is equal to what is B square is equal to root 2 into A, no, 2A square plus what is C square is equal to 3A square. Okay, so I cannot write it like this. It is equal to 2 small r and 2 big R. Okay, now tetrahedral void madidvala athara get some relationship between small r and big R. Try either like this or take any two sides, take the ratio of any two sides and get the relationship. Try ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Diagonal AC 2R 2 small r plus 2 big R. Yes, AC correct ಇದೆ. C is equal to root 3 R ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು √3r. ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು √3 ಇಂಟು ಎ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಾಕು. ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು √3 ಇಂಟು ಎ. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್? C, body diagonal. Along the body diagonal, how many small r and big R are there? 2 small r. 2 small r plus 2 big R is equal to √3 into A. A is equal to 2 big R. Edge length. A is equal to 2 big R. Get the relationship now. See, only you take C is equal to √3 into A. C is equal to 2R plus 2 small r is equal to √3 into 2 big R's. A is the edge length. Okay. So, simplify this. It is 2r is equal to 2 cancel ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. That's it. R is equal to √3 minus R, nothing but 0.73 divided. That's it. 0.73. Okay. 0.73 is the void radius of smaller ion to the radius of bigger ion in case of BCC, that is also called as cubic void, is what? 0.73. Now let us have limiting radius ratio. Calculation complete ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, just set body diagonal. Okay, is it clear? Now let us have what is the radius ratio, what is the meaning of radius ratio. First let me give you the limiting radius ratio. Limiting radius ratio for coordination number and void. Okay, void is trigonal void, coordination number is 3. What is the limiting radius ratio? It should be 0.155. That is what we calculated. For tetrahedral, what is the coordination number? 4. Limiting value is 0.225. Okay. For octahedral, yes, for octahedral coordination number 6. Okay, 0.414. Okay. For cubic void, okay, we call it as BCC. 8 is the coordination number. What is the limiting value? 0.73. 735 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 0.735, 73 cut ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So these are the limiting values. What is the usefulness of this limiting value? Let us understand. Okay, with the help of trigonal void. I am taking a trigonal void. Let me convince you what is the meaning of this limiting radius ratio. Limiting radius ratio is nothing but radius of smaller ion to the radius of bigger ion, cation to the anion, or else it is called as radius of the void to the radius of the sphere, or else it is called as radius of the smaller ion to the radius of the bigger ion. It is there in the case of only in the case of ionic crystals. We can apply this radius ratio only for what kind of crystals? Ionic crystals, where you will find cations and anions. There only you can have the difference between the size of the two types of ions, cations and anions. Okay. Let me take a trigonal void explanation. I am taking a cation, this is a cation. I am taking some anions. So these are the anions. Okay, anions. This cation, in this arrangement, trigonal arrangement of 3 spheres and a cation, 3 big spheres which represents anion and central sphere which represents a cation. See, in this arrangement, anions are apart from each other. There is a lot of repulsion between each other, and if they come closer also, they may touch with the cation. There will be force of attraction between the cation. Hence, this kind of trigonal arrangement is possible. Because there is lot of distance between the anions, there is no repulsion between the anion and anion. Force of repulsion is less, hence the molecule or this ion is stable. If I reduce the size of the cation, okay, cation size has been reduced. So these are the anions. Okay, these are the anions and this is the cation. So in this case what happens? In this case what happens? Anions are in close contact with each other. There is a lot of repulsion between the anions. Because of repulsion, they must move, they want to move apart, but the cation is there which is in touch with the anions, so which is attracting the anions together. Therefore, this is the cation size is ideal for the stable compound, a stable ionic compound of the difference in size of this size of cation and this size of anion. Okay. If there is a further increase in the size of the anion, see, anion size increases. There is a small cation like this. Okay. Because of repulsion, if the anions move apart, if the anions move apart or if they come closer, anions move apart and there is no force of attraction between the cation and anion. If there is no force of attraction between the cation and anion, that ionic compound does not exist. So in this case, if the cation is very small compared to the anion, this size is not permissible for what kind of crystals with what coordination number? 3. This size of the cation is not permissible. The maximum size, permissible size is this one. The maximum size which is permissible is what we have calculated. That is the maximum limit of cation compared to the anion size. What is that value? 0.155. Okay. Maximum size is this one. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಸೈಜ್? ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು? ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 0.225. If it crosses 0.225, you cannot get coordination number 3. You cannot have trigonal geometry. You will be getting tetrahedral geometry. So the limiting values are minimum and maximum value of the cation size for coordination number 3 crystals is 0.1552 to 0.225. Likewise, in case of tetrahedral geometry, that is with crystals with coordination number, the maximum size, the minimum size of the cation is 0.225 and it should not cross what value? Yes, 0.414. Hagene for octahedral, it should be 0.732, not 5. Okay. And for cubic, 0.7322, 1.0. Fraction, it is a fraction. Can it be more than 1? No, not possible, because always cation, we take the ratio of smaller ion and bigger ion. Smaller by bigger is always less than 1. It cannot be equal to 1. So, idu close to 1 agutte hortu, it will never become equal to 1. So, these values are important for us. For BCC, what is the limiting radius ratio? 0.732 to 1. The cation size, smaller ion size should be between these two limiting values. It should not be more than this, it should not be less than this to get what geometry? Cubic geometry. Hagene for octahedral, this is the limiting values, and for tetrahedral, these are the limiting values. For trigonal, these two are the limiting values. So, idಕ್ಕೆ related numericals ಇವೆ, ಅವನ್ನ next solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, can we have now one question? Exercise worksheet ತೆಗಿರಿ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ ಇದು? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.